Ona thengia wa kuhagurwo ta gavana wa kaunti ya Kiambu na giturwa giake kuihurio ni munini wake Dagitari James Nyoro, riu mathina ma Ferdinand Waititu maroneka kurikona makiria.
Ndio itatuunganisha kama wana county.
Umuthi agitungi guthoro ringi ni igoti nene thutha ihoya riake ria kwenda gavana wa Kiambu James Nyoro agirio guthie na mbere na mutaratara wa gucagura munini wake guteyanirio.
Appointment of a deputy governor. My lord, there is no danger that a deputy governor is going to be appointed as a matter of emergency, because this is a process. He can only nominate within 14 days. He cannot appoint.
Jaji James Makau wa igoti nene no heanire itua riri undu ria ukite thiku nini tu thutha wa Waititu gutungi guthoro ringi thutha wa igoti guteyaniria ihoya riake ria kwenda kuhitithio kwa Nyoro ta gavana wa Kiambu rirugamio. Maya mokete riri rugari uthiete na mbere gwakiririo werekeirio Nyoro iguru rigie giturwa kia munini wake kuria muhwa wiketio kuri wetekire gucagura mutumia ta munini wake no horie gucagura ume mwena wa Kiambu ya irathiro. Gikundi kio kwa Kiambu na kiria gikoretwo muharini wa mbere guthingiriria kuherio kwa Waititu wathanini wa Kiambu ni maugite no mwaka gukorwo na mishemanio ya muingi mbere ya Nyoro amurite munini wake niguo nao mahote guikia mugambo wao ndeto-ini ino.
If he will conduct public participation so that the public can have time to vet and to give their views on their proposal of a deputy governor, I think that would be a very good thing.
Oho gikundi giki ni kiuritie kugie na mogaruruku hari kanjo ya maminista kaunti no niguo gukorwo na andu mari na uigiririki na gucokia mwihoko kuri muingi wa Kiambu.
We are asking him to sack all those officers that have been underperforming in their duties so that we can have fresh leadership in Kiambu County that we deliver to the people of Kiambu.
Nyoro, we are asking you humbly to just have a new cabinet which is going to take Kiambu forward without all this issue of corruption.
Ukinyiria riu atongoria kihiri ni mwonekete guitira matagiturwa giki kia munini wa gavana kaunti-ini ya Kiambu.
Okoa mashule.